everyone, welcome to Guidance IAS. Myself Vivek Raj. Today I am here to talk about various public administration courses that we are going to launch in the coming days. So as we know that the prelims results have been announced, right? So now it's time for candidate to prepare for the mains examination, be it the mains 2023 or unfortunately those people who have not able to qualify the prelims this year, so they will be preparing for next year. So for that we have mains 2024, right? So for all the people, those who are writing the mains in 2023 and those who are writing the mains in 2024, we have come up with certain programs that I'll be explaining today. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's move on to those programs one by one. So the first program that I have here is the 75 days daily answer writing cum mentorship program, right? So in this particular program, what we have done is that the entire syllabus of public administration has been divided into 75 days, and some features I'll be explaining now. But here you can see the days first of all. So here you can see that this is day 1, and under the day 1 we have meaning, scope and significance of public administration, right? So what will be our idea is that you will be given this syllabus, you will be having thorough study of this syllabus, then you will be coming for the test. Okay, and we believe that for at least mains 2023 people, the same day evaluation will be done by me itself. Okay, so this way will be going, that giving you the target, and then you are studying, then you are coming for the test, and then followed by evaluation, comprehensive feedback we can say. Okay, one-to-one discussion will be taking place. Okay, then similarly we have day 2, and day 2 we have another part of syllabus, that is Woodrow Wilson's vision of public administration and evolution of discipline and its present status, like that. Similarly you can see that day 3, day 4, like that we have 75 days. Okay, so this is one program where we are trying to make you learn how to write the good answer in public administration optional. Okay, so this is one program. Then after that we have another program, that is the test series for 2023, mains 2023. Actually it's too much, so it is not going on, but anyways, so here you can see, yes, here every detail has been provided. So you can see here so public administration test series 2023. So in this particular test series, here the key feature you can note down, that total 12 tests will be there. It will be comprising of 8 sectional tests, 4 full length tests will be there. Okay, and definitely there will be updated relevant question paper linked with the current affairs, unlike others where most of the time when we are joining any test series, then we found that that mostly previous year question papers will be there, but somehow we will not be having those kind of scenario. Here you will be getting updated and very relevant question papers. Definitely we will be and we have designed question paper by having the current trend of UPSC in mind. Okay, so this kind of question paper will be there. Then we will be providing detailed model answer hints, right? That will be provided, and detailed evaluation will be there within a week for comprehensive. And under the 75 days program, what I mentioned, that same day evaluation will be done, because वहाँ तो 2 ही question होंगे और यहाँ पे हमारा full test होगा, इसलिए here the evaluation will be done within a week. ठीक है? So this is another feature, and it will be costing 12,000 something like that, and the earlier program was costing 9,000. You can check with the, in our office regarding the fee and, any other detail that you want to, know about. Okay. So these are the two programs. Similarly, now we have the test series for 2024. Okay. So for 2024, yes, actually this PDF is too long. Every detail I have, yes. So in this particular test series, you should understand the difference. Okay. In mains 2023 test series, what we are providing? 8 sectional tests, 4 belonging to the paper 1, 4 belonging to the paper 2. Okay. And the 4 full length tests. But what we are providing in this mains test series 2024. So in this particular test series, what we are providing is the unit-wise test. Unit-wise test, right? So how many units are there? How many units are there in public administration? So there are total 26 units in the public administration. So we will be having a test for every unit. Here you can see, yes, this one. The test number 1 will be of unit 1 of paper 1, right? And these tests will be taking place fortnightly because you need time to prepare. So, the idea is that unit wise your preparation will be done. Okay. So in mains 2020 test series, we will be having 26 tests, okay, unit wise. And then at the end, we will have the 4 full length tests, right? So this is our third program, right? So, this is about our programs and some broad features I'll be highlighting now. Some broad features I'll be highlighting. I hope you are very, very clear with the schedule that I am highlighting here. Okay. So having discussed about all the 3 programs, 75 days answer writing programs, mains test series for 2023 and mains test series for 2024. So if I'm highlighting the key areas, so the key areas will be, first of all, there will be relevant and most updated question paper, timely evaluation will be there, and definitely, one-to-one feedback will be provided. And, every time we will be referring to the PYQs, whatever UPSC, the kind of, that they are asking the question. So we'll try to relate. And certainly we will also be discussing the, model answer for the previous year questions, right? So that you should have idea about what UPSC was asking and what should have been the answer for those questions, right? And iske alawa, we will be referring to some of the toppers copy. मैं आपको कुछ टॉपर्स कॉपी दिखाऊंगा जिस तरीके से हम चीज़ों को डिस्कस करेंगे, सो दैट आपको आइडिया लगे कि वट एवर वी आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम दिस टेस्ट सीरीज, दैट इज बीइंग, toppers are also following that. Okay. So I hope the idea is very, very clear. And we are all these programs we are launching tomorrow itself, and admissions are very much open, and you can anytime you can visit our office and enroll in any of these programs. Okay. So this is all. Thank you.